Alright, I wanted to show you some OSDs. Alright, well, here's the micro OSD. I don't know who makes it. I'm sure you've probably seen it before. The micro mini OSD. Well, here's a new person that I found that makes one. And it's micro OSD. This one's by Holy Bros. And then I use also the Red Rotor OSD, right? The Red Rotor OSD Pro. And this one's a PDB and an OSD, which is nice, you know. You get rid of two birds with one stone. But that's pretty much all it is an OSD and low voltage. I think it has a camera filter on there too, but I can't be sure. So this one I think gives you battery voltage and current, maybe. I'm not RSSI, and I can't be sure, but that's it. And it's a PDB. There's no configurability, you know. It's an OSD PDB in one, which is nice, you know, when you don't have an OSD and you got a micro build, because it's kind of hard sometimes to fit these in. You find a place like this one here is tiny, and I'm beginning to really like this one. And how it works is that you hook it up to a UART on your flight controller, right? So all these new flight controllers, they come with these plug-in UARTs. Like this is a Motolab Cyclone, and here's the two UARTs. I think there's another onboard one what you can pull for them, but I'm not going to go there. But bang, you know, you plug this in, you got your 5 volts ground, transmit and receive. And here is the input for the Holy Bros. 5 volts ground, transmit and receive. And on the micro, you kind of have 5 volts ground, transmit and receive, and they have a diagram online you can look at. Then your video goes in, video in and video out, alright? And all the rest of these you don't need, because all the information is being brought from the flight controller, and you don't have to bring that information to this, so which is nice. Like this is a VBAT monitoring pad here, and you don't have to bring that because you're already VBAT monitoring on your flight controller. So in this instance, you would just take one of these cables and plug your, you know, and I'm just doing this just to show you, just plug these in through these holes here, right? Solder them up, and then I just bend them back and throw that in a piece of heat shrink, and you're good to go. The only two other things you need are your camera video out to here, and then your video out to your VTX, and you're done. And that's the same way with the Holy Bros. You would just then get rid of this DTH or whatever that one was, and then solder these in parallel to the UART, or solder these directly to a UART. I don't have another board here to show you. Let's see. No boards. No boards. This board, what's this board got? That's a UART. We won't go through it. That's a little too much. Let me see. I got an SPF3 Racing back here, and they have the onboard UART 2 thing. Like here's an SPF3 Racing, and you can plug that UART cable that I was just showing to you right here, that's in the Moto, into an SPF3 Racing, and pin them out correctly, of course, and boom, you got UART 1, UART 2, UART 3, and boom, right to your OSD. So what I didn't get into is the benefits of this type of OSD. Alright? Well, I've been using this for a while now, and I really like it. With these two OSDs, and you're plugging them into the UART and having your flight controller act as, the thing that's sending the information, you can then talk to your flight controller. So, with these, you can adjust all of your clean flight settings. What else? LED settings. Everything you can do in clean flight and on your VTX, if your VTX is, well, not this VTX, of course. So let's skip no VTX information here that you can change unless your VTX is programmable that way. However, this would only change everything in clean flight. Anything you can change in clean flight, you can do via your goggles and your transmitter with these two OSDs, whereas you can't do that with the red rotor OSD. Okay, so that's pretty much what I got to say here. And one day maybe I'll do something with my goggles here, a video overlay to show you how you can use this to adjust your PIDs, to adjust your rates in the field. No laptop or tablet needed, wire or internet connection to get clean flight, beta flight, and then adjust your settings. You do it all through your goggles. Check it out. It works great. I like it.